Think about a bustling city where different people have different keys and responsibilities. Some open the main gate, others manage specific buildings, and a few have access to sensitive areas. How do you ensure everyone has exactly the right access, no more and no less, keeping everything secure and efficient? Managing user-to-role assignments, a core component of robust backend security, is primarily achieved through a structured approach known as role-based access control, or RBAC. This system streamlines authorization by granting permissions to roles, and then assigning users to those roles, rather than directly to individual permissions. It ensures that access rights are consistent, manageable, and auditable across your application. The why behind RBAC is all about efficiency and security at scale. Imagine trying to manage permissions for hundreds or thousands of users individually. It would be a chaotic and error-prone nightmare. RBAC abstracts this complexity. A role, such as administrator or editor, encapsulates a predefined set of permissions. By assigning users to these roles, you avoid direct manipulation of individual user permissions, drastically reducing the chance of misconfigurations and security vulnerabilities. This principle adheres to the concept of least privilege, where users only get the access they absolutely need. To effectively manage these assignments, start by defining clear roles based on job functions or responsibilities within your application. For example, a customer support agent needs different access than a marketing specialist. Next, grant specific granular permissions to each of these roles. This involves determining which resources a role can access and what actions it can perform on those resources. After establishing your roles and their permissions, assign users to the appropriate roles. Modern identity and access management systems often provide intuitive interfaces or a PIS for this assignment, allowing for dynamic updates and auditing. Regularly review your roles and assignments, especially when job functions change or new features are introduced, to prevent privilege creep. An advanced technique for managing user-to-role assignments involves integrating with an external identity provider, or IDP, such as OAuth 2.0 or SAML. This not only centralizes user authentication, but also allows for automated role provisioning based on attributes provided by the IDP, reducing manual overhead and ensuring consistency across multiple applications. Furthermore, implementing custom attribute-based access control, or a BAC, can provide even finer-grained control, allowing permissions to be granted based on user attributes, resource attributes, and even environmental conditions at the time of access. By systematically employing role-based access control, defining clear roles with precise permissions, and leveraging modern identity management practices, you gain a robust and scalable method for controlling who can access what in your back-end applications. This not only bolsters your security posture by enforcing the principle of least privilege, but also drastically simplifies the administrative burden of user management, allowing your team to focus on building great features with confidence in your system's integrity.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.